Hi students, how are you all? I hope all are you good. Welcome to our online class. Today ninth class, chapter 2, polynomials and factorization. Topic is zeros of a polynomial. We know the value of polynomial.
If we need to find the value of polynomial, then we substitute the given value or given real number replaced by variable. అంటే మనకి ఇచ్చినటువంటి పాలినామియల్లో ఆ వేరియబుల్ ప్లేస్లో ఇచ్చినటువంటి ఆ రియల్ నెంబర్ కానీ అక్కడ ఏ వాల్యూ అయితే ఇవ్వబడుతుందో ఆ వాల్యూని ఆ వేరియబుల్ ప్లేస్లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి సాల్వ్ చేస్తే మనకు కొంత వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ పాలినామియల్. దిస్ ఈస్ ఆల్రెడీ సీన్ ఇన్ ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్. నౌ zero of polynomial. What is the zero of polynomial? A zero of a polynomial px is the value of x for which px is equal to 0. Finding a zero of a given polynomial px is the same as solving the equation p of x is equal to 0. Given polynomial ni equal to 0 ga raskoవాలి. Next, one thing you should remember, constant polynomial has no zero. Constant polynomial ki zero ఉండదు. Constant polynomial means formed by digits. Only number ఉన్నట్టయితే అది constant polynomial. Constant polynomial ki zeros ఉండవు. But zero polynomial is a constant polynomial having many zeros. Zero అనేది constant polynomial కానీ దానికి చాలా జీరోస్ ఉంటాయి. Now zero is a constant polynomial. It has many zeros like 0 into x cube. Your degree is 3, so it has 3 zeros. They are 0, 0, 0. దీనికి 3 జీరోలు ఉంటాయి. Let us see an example. Find a zero of the polynomial px is equal to 3x plus 1. Given polynomial px is equal to 3x plus 1. We should write px is equal to 0, that 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. ఇచ్చినటువంటి pxను 0కి ఈక్వల్గా చేసుకోవాలి. అంటే 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now plus 1 sent to right side, then 3x is equal to minus 1. Again 3 sent to right side, then x is equal to minus 1 by 3. We get x is equal to minus 1 by 3. This is the solution of given polynomial. So minus 1 by 3 is a zero of the given polynomial px is equal to 3x plus 1. This is the solution. Find the zeros of polynomial p of x is equal to x plus b. Given polynomial p of x is equal to x plus b. Its degree is 1. So it has only one zero. We write px is equal to 0. Then px means ax plus b is equal to 0. b sent to right side, ax is equal to minus b. x is equal to a sent right side, then it become denominator. x is equal to minus b by a. Given polynomial degree is equal to 1. The solution is that minus a by b. Example 5, page number 36. If 3 is a zero of the polynomial x square plus 2x minus a, find a value. Your solution, let px is equal to x square plus 2x minus a. But given zero of polynomial is 3, we know that p of 3 is equal to 0. అంటే మనకిచ్చినటువంటి గివెన్ పోలినామియల్లో రిప్లేస్డ్ ఎక్స్ బై 3, ఎక్స్ ప్లేస్లో 3ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. మనకిచ్చినటువంటి పోలినామియల్ ఏంటి? ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2x మైనస్ a is equal to 0. At x is equal to 3, this implies 3 square, x ప్లేస్లో 3ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాం. This becomes 3 square plus 2 into x means 3 minus a. 3 square becomes 9.
2 3 are 6 minus a is equal to 0. 9 plus 6 15 minus a is equal to 0. Where 15 sent to right side, then this becomes minus 15, minus will be cancelled, a is equal to 15. This is the solution and this is the value of a. Okay, this is the value of a. Example, x square plus 1 has no zeros y. Let us see solution. Let px is equal to x square plus 1. We have to find zeros, then px becomes 0. ఒకవేళ మనం దీని యొక్క జీరోస్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే we make it is equal to 0. px ని 0 కి ఈక్వల్ చేయాలి. where px is equal to x square plus 1 is equal to 0. Now x square is equal to minus 1. Plus 1 becomes to minus 1 when transposing to right side. దీన్ని రైట్ సైడ్ పంపించినట్టయితే minus 1 అవుతుంది. where x is equal to x square minus 1 అయితే x is equal to under root minus 1. This is not existing. This is not possible. No real number exists such that root is minus 1. There is no real number exists. Root is minus 1. Therefore x square plus 1 has no zeros. 2.2, page number 36, bit number 3, problem 7. Bit number 3 is given. Verify whether the values of x given in each case are the zeros of the polynomial or not. In this bit, we verify problem number 7, which is fx is equal to 3x square minus 1, where x is equal to minus 1 by root 3, comma 2 by root 3. Solution. Given polynomial fx is equal to 3x square minus 1. At x is equal to minus 1 by root 3, the polynomial is fx is 3x square minus 1. We should verify x value 1 minus 1 by root 3. When we substitute a replace of x by minus 1 by root 3, it must be equal to 0. మనం ఈ వాల్యూని దీనిలో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసినప్పుడు వచ్చే వాల్యూ 0 కావాలి. అప్పుడు మాత్రమే అది 0 అవుతుంది. Then substitute x is equal to minus 1 by root 3. 3 write as same. Replace x by minus 1 by root 3. x place లో minus 1 by root 3 రాద్దాం. Then 3 of minus 1 by root 3 whole square minus 1. This can be changed into minus square, that becomes plus 1 square 1. root 3 whole square. root 3 ని స్క్వేర్ చేసినట్టయితే రూట్ పోయి రూట్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయ్యి 3 అవుతుంది. ఓకే, root 3 whole square becomes 3. మనకు రియల్ నెంబర్స్లో ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పోనెంట్స్లో రూట్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ అంటే దీని వాల్యూ ఏ వచ్చింది. అదేవిధంగా ఇక్కడ కూడా రూట్ 3 స్క్వేర్ అన్నప్పుడు రూట్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయ్యి 3 మిగులుతుంది. 3 విల్ బి క్యాన్సిల్. minus 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. When we substitute x is equal to minus 1 by root 3, we get 0. Hence x is equal to minus 1 by root 3 is the 0 of the polynomial, given polynomial. Now let x is equal to 2 by root 3. This implies f of 2 by root 3 is equal to 3 of 2 by root 3 whole square minus 1. Then this becomes 3, 2 square into 4 by root 3 becomes 3 minus 1. 3 will be cancelled. Now we get 4 minus 1. This is equal to 3. Now f of 2 by root 3 does not equal to 0. This is not equal to 0. Then x is equal to 2 by root 3 is not 0 of polynomial. Not 0 of polynomial. Nomial. 0 of polynomial. Okay. 0 వస్తేనేమో 0 of polynomial అవుతుంది. 0 కాకపోతేనేమో నాట్ 0 of polynomial. మిగిలినవన్నీ కూడా అలాగే చేయండి. 0 of given polynomial f of x is equal to x plus 3. Okay. We should find 0 of polynomial. Then solution. Given polynomial fx is equal to 2x plus 3. Here we need to find 0 of polynomial. Then we make given polynomial equal to 0. మనం ఇక్కడ 0 of polynomial find out చేయాలి కాబట్టి it must be 0. ఇది మొత్తం 0 కావాలి. Then fx is equal to 0. fx means 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. ఇక్కడ fx అంటే ఏమి ఇచ్చింది మనకు 2x plus 3 ఇచ్చింది. దాన్ని 0కి ఈక్వల్ చేయాలి. Then we should find the x value. Plus 3 sent to right side. Then 2x is equal to minus 3. Again 2 transpose to right side. Here 2x, this is multiplication. When we transport to RHS, it becomes a division, denominator. ఇక్కడ మల్టిప్లికేషన్లో ఉంది, ఇటు సైడ్ వస్తే అది డివిజన్గా చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. x is equal to minus 3 by 2. This is the 0 of the polynomial, given polynomial. ఇది ఇచ్చినటువంటి దానికి 0 of the polynomial. Okay. The exercise. If 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial fx is equal to 2x power 3 minus 2x power 2 plus ax plus b. Find the values of a and b. Given polynomial fx is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. But f of 0 is equal to 0. f of 1 is equal to 0 given. అంటే ఈ పాలినామియల్లో ఎక్స్ ప్లేస్లో 0 రాస్తే 0 వస్తుంది, ఎక్స్ ప్లేస్లో 1 రాసినా కూడా 0 వస్తుంది అని ఇక్కడ మనకు ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. Then we substitute x is equal to 0 in equation 1. This is equation 1. Substitute, replace x by 0. x ఉన్న ప్లేస్లో 0ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసినట్టయితే f of 0 2 0 power 3 minus 3 0 power 2 plus a 0 a into 0 plus b. This becomes 0, this becomes 0, it is also 0 plus b. f of 0 is equal to b. But f of 0 means we have f of 0 అంటే 0 ఇచ్చారు. f of 0 is equal to 0. f of 0 is equal to 0, that means b is equal to 0. Again, at x is equal to 1. At x is equal to 1. We should substitute, replace x by 1. x ప్లేస్లో 1 రిప్లేస్ చేసినట్టయితే, సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసినట్టయితే we get 2 of 1 power 3 minus 3 of 1 square plus a of 1 plus b. 1 power 3, that means 1. 1 power 2, that means 1. 2 into 1, 2. 3 into 1, 3. Plus a plus b. Then 2 minus 3 plus b. b becomes 0. b value 0. we substitute b is equal to 0. Then 2 minus 3, that becomes minus 1 plus a. But f of 1 is equal to 0. F of 1 is equal to 0 is given. A minus 1 is equal to 0. A is equal to minus 1 sent to right side. A is equal to 1. B is equal to 0. This is the values of A and B. Here we substitute only x value, x is equal to 0, and second x is equal to 1. When we substituting x is equal to 0, we get b is equal to 0. When we substitute x is equal to 1, we get a is equal to 1. Okay, this is the solution.